students, welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS Speaking Part 1. These are intro questions and the topic will be music. So the first question is, do you often like to listen to music? Do you often like to listen to music? The keyword here is often. Often means a lot. I mean more than twice a day or thrice a day or 10 times a week. This is often. So the sample answer is yes, I love listening to music, or yes, I often listen to music. It is an integral part of my daily routine. Integral, important. And I find it rejuvenates. It rejuvenates. It provides me energy, extra energy. Okay? It rejuvenates my mind as well as creates a pleasant atmosphere. A pleasant atmosphere, it replenishes me. Okay, creates a pleasant atmosphere, creates a soothing atmosphere in which I can work, soothing environment. Okay, the second question is, what kind of music do you like to listen to? So the answer is, I enjoy a wide range of genres, different types, from pop and rock to hip hop and classical. It really depends on the situation and what I am in the mood for. What I am in the mood for, what at that moment fits my mood is what I like. Third question is, what is your favorite kind of music? Favorite kind. Okay, so you may have a different favorite. I have a different taste in music, but my favorite is hip hop music. Hip hop music, okay? Hip hop is a type of music. I love the beats, especially the beatbox. The beatbox style is a. I'll link the sample video of what beatbox style is. That is used by rappers to enhance the music. That is used by rappers to enhance the music quality of the song. Okay. So the fourth question is, have you ever been to a concert? A concert is a live event where musicians perform. So the answer is yes. I have had the privilege of attending several concerts. I recently went to see the famous Indian rapper Raftar. Raftar is a famous Indian rapper. Raftar's concert, and it was nothing short of an exhilarating experience. Exhilarating, amazing experience, energetic experience. Okay. Question number 5. How do you feel when you listen to music? How do you feel when you listen to music? When I listen to my favorite songs, it often evokes different emotions. Produces different emotions in me. Certain songs calm my mind, while others motivate me to take on challenges renewed, with renewed strength. Okay, so these were some introductory questions and answers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button